In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable dark mode in Edge Outlook side panel. Alright, so let's go ahead and open up Outlook. I'm just pulling it up here in the Edge side panel and waiting for everything to load. Once you're inside and you can see your emails or your main Outlook screen, we're ready to switch things over to dark mode. Now I'm going to head up to the top right corner and click on Settings. You'll see the little gear icon there. I'm clicking on that and it opens up the settings panel on the side. From here we need to go into the general settings for the interface. So in this settings panel I'm clicking on general. That opens up more options related to how Outlook looks and behaves. Once general is selected, I'm going to look for appearance. It should be listed under the general section. I'm clicking on appearance now, and this is where we can control the theme and overall look of the side panel. At this point you should see options related to light and dark themes. I'm going to click on dark mode. As soon as I click that, more theme choices become available. Now I'll select dark. You'll notice right away that the preview updates and the interface starts to shift into darker tones. The background becomes darker and the text adjusts so it's easier to read against that darker background. If you're following along, you should see the same thing happening on your screen. It's usually instant in the preview, so you can tell right away what it's going to look like. Once that's done and you're happy with how it looks, all that's left is to save the change. So I'm going to click save. As soon as I hit save, the dark theme is applied fully to the Outlook side panel. Now everything is in dark mode, which can be a lot easier on the eyes, especially if you're working at night or just prefer a darker interface. And that's it, we opened Outlook, went into settings, selected general, clicked on appearance, chose dark mode, selected dark, and saved the changes. Your Outlook side panel in Edge is now in dark mode.